My life has been impacted in so many ways because of this vision loss. I was a vascular sonographer, but it was not appropriate for me to be in a position in which I was diagnosing people. I don't drive. One of the concerns was, am I going to see my children graduate? Am I going to someday be able to see my children walk down the aisle?
90% of the information we get from the world comes from vision. And when there is a vision impairment, a lot of the information we get if we have quote-unquote normal vision are going to be cut down or becoming not so reliable. My lab has a strong focus on independent travel. People need to navigate, whether it's locating their Uber or trying to find their train. It's a lot to manage if they have vision loss. We don't have a system to understand what's the good visual accessibility of the world. So maybe the patient wants to travel. Can we make the environment more accessible for them? That's a gap my lab is trying to address. We are trying to bring this objective way to understand environmental complexity from our eyes. So we developed this very fun task. We call this walk, see, and trace. We ask people to wear these glasses with scene cameras, and we have them observe rooms with hazards we staged. We have them tell us what they see and trace the outline of the objects. So it's really helpful for us to understand what they see in the environment. And we are able to generate this visibility map of a scene based on how a patient interacts with the scene. I joined Wilmer in 2023, and the lab planning was underway since I joined. And then we were waiting for the funding to be in place until one day we heard there is a very generous gift from Michael and Anne Hanking, who have made it possible for us to get the lab started. We are going to have this very cutting-edge mobility lab. We will have a surrounding speaker system paired with visual projection system. So we can create immersive environments. We can replicate street crossing, we can replicate restaurants, so we can better assess the outcomes of vision or hearing rehabilitation.
I'm happy to be able to contribute in any way to the advancement of technology or assistance for people already diagnosed with vision deficits or those coming down behind me. The independence where I can get where I want to go, I can find what I'm looking for, it would mean the world.